Please consider subscribing to the channel, as your friends may not share this information with you. What if they get a job and you don't, even though you paid the same fee? So consider it. The UST Global Aptitude Test, as of 2024, is structured to assess both cognitive abilities and technical knowledge. It typically includes 4 sections: quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal ability, and a technical section. The quantitative aptitude section covers a variety of mathematical concepts, including arithmetic topics like percentages, profit and loss, averages, ratios, and proportions. Algebraic questions involve solving simple equations and quadratic expressions. There are also questions on geometry, dealing with areas, volumes, and properties of shapes, as well as number system questions such as LCM, HCF, divisibility rules, and factorization. The section also includes data interpretation, where candidates analyze graphs, charts, and tables to answer related questions. The difficulty level is generally moderate to high, with candidates needing to manage their time effectively to complete the section. The logical reasoning section focuses on problem solving and critical thinking. Common question types include puzzles, seating arrangements, coding decoding, and completing numerical or alphabetical series. Direction sense questions test candidates' ability to map directions based on data provided, while syllogisms and Venn diagrams assess deductive reasoning. Blood relation problems and analogies are also frequently included. This section is often perceived as tricky due to its reliance on pattern recognition and logical sequences, requiring practice for speed and accuracy. The coding round for UST Global in 2024 is an essential part of their recruitment process, especially for technical roles. It typically includes solving 1 or 2 coding problems on platforms like HackerRank, CodeSignal, or AMKit. The questions are often centered around data structures like arrays, linked lists, trees, and graphs, along with algorithmic challenges such as sorting, searching, dynamic programming, and greedy algorithms. The difficulty level is generally medium to high, and candidates are required to write efficient code with an emphasis on optimizing time and space complexity. This round evaluates a candidate's ability to solve real-world problems within a set time limit, often ranging between 45 minutes to an hour. The ability section assesses language proficiency, with a focus on reading comprehension, where candidates answer questions based on short passages. Other topics include sentence correction, where candidates must choose the grammatically correct sentence, and vocabulary-based questions like synonyms and antonyms. Parajumbles, where candidates need to rearrange sentences to form a coherent paragraph, are also common, along with sentence completion tasks where candidates select the appropriate word to fill in a blank. The verbal section is usually moderate in difficulty, though time management can be crucial for completing reading comprehension passages. The technical section is particularly important for candidates applying for technical roles. It generally includes programming questions in languages such as C, C++, Java, or Python, testing basic syntax, control structures, and object-oriented concepts. Questions on data structures and algorithms cover topics like arrays, linked lists, binary trees, sorting algorithms, and searching techniques. Some questions also involve analyzing time and space complexity. In addition, there are questions on database management systems, DBMS, including basic SQL queries and relational database concepts. Basic operating system concepts such as scheduling, deadlocks, and network protocols are also tested. The section may include coding challenges, requiring candidates to solve problems using efficient algorithms, often hosted on an online coding platform. This section is considered challenging, particularly for the coding questions, and having a solid foundation in algorithms and data structures is essential for success. The test format typically includes a total duration of 90 to 120 minutes, with each section timed separately. The test is conducted online, often proctored through platforms like AMKit or CoCubes, with multiple choice questions for the aptitude, reasoning, and verbal sections, while the technical section may include coding challenges. Recent experiences in 2024 indicate that the technical round is increasingly important, especially the coding section, which includes medium to high difficulty problems involving data structures like trees and graphs. Candidates applying for non-technical roles should focus more on the verbal and reasoning sections, while technical roles require strong knowledge of core subjects. In preparing for the UST Global Aptitude Test, candidates should practice using mock tests on platforms such as PrepInsta, FreshersWorld, or LeetCode, focusing on time management and brushing up on programming basics and algorithms. For technical roles, candidates should ensure thorough coverage of data structures, algorithms, DBMS, and operating systems.